Meaning of gloat.
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 Gloat. The word gloat means to feel and express great pleasure or satisfaction, often at someone else's misfortune or failure. It is a term used to describe someone who takes pleasure in the misery of others, and who may even show off their own success or good fortune to further rub it in. This behavior is generally considered unkind and unsportsmanlike, and can lead to feelings of resentment and bitterness from those who are on the receiving end of it. In short, to gloat is to revel in one's own triumphs while deliberately causing pain to others.